Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great time wherever you are. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So another day of multi-apping, and it's a Wednesday lunch hours, so it's the slowest day of the week. So hopefully we could make $20 an hour. So we set a goal for $20. So come along for the ride. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, watch the video to the end, because I always do the breakdown of the tip and how much I make for the 2 hours. So the time is 10:59. See the time there? Just gonna log in my Doordash now. Gonna log in my Uber Eats. So I have an order with Doordash, $10, going 6.9 kilometers. I'll accept that. So that first order is from Doordash and the time is 11:15. So I waited 15 minutes before I get my first order.
So I need a group, my chicken. Yes. Make it 12.
And customer is 10 minutes away. So that order was $10, customer tip $4. Thank you, customer. His order was like $14 worth of food and he tipped $4. See, sometimes you get really good generous people that tip. Sometimes you get like crap for tips. Garbage tip. I have an order with Uber Eats, 641, 6.2 kilometers. Accept that. And the time is 12:01. So it's lots of waiting around. It's a really slow day. Pick up customer order. The food was ready and ready to go.
Message from Krishna R.
She's at the door, so I hand that to the customer. Let's see how much does that pay. $6.41. So right now the time is 12:18 and I'm at $16, $10 with Doordash and $6 with Uber Eats, and I have 40 more minutes to make $20 an hour. It's gonna be tough unless I really get some nice big one from Uber or Doordash. Some nice big juicy order. $50 one, $60 one, $30. Right, you just hope for the best. See what happens. One order from Uber Eats, 572 and going 4.1 kilometers. I'll accept that. Arrive at the restaurant, and this is a Spice Circle East restaurant. Meal for 4. Pick up the order from the restaurant and customer is 6 minutes away. So deliver the order, took a picture of it. $5.72. So I have an order with Uber Eats, $5.42, going 4.9 kilometers. I'll accept that. So I'm back to the Tim Hortons that I picked up an order a while ago. Bagels, donut multi-pack, iced coffee, a bacon breakfast sandwich.
Yeah.
Customer is 5 minutes away. I have another order with Uber Eats, $8.38, 8 kilometers. Starbucks at Charleswood. I'll accept that. Okay, let's go drop this off first. Uber Eats.
Head northwest.
So I arrived to the customer. It's the same customer that ordered the Indian food. that I drop off just before. So they order some iced coffee and breakfast to go with the Indian food and donuts. Took a picture of the. How much does that pay? Right now I'm at $17. So I have to go pick up the other order from Uber Eats, and this is the order from Starbucks, and the time is 12:56. Fruit drinks. So I pick up that passion fruit, and customer is 13 minutes away, and it's 1:02. I'm just gonna be going over 15 minutes of my shift. So I arrive at customer, says leave at door. Let's go drop it off. So I'm just gonna end my shift now. It's 1:17 and I started at 11 o'clock, and my shift already ended with Doordash. So stay tuned for the summary. Hello YouTubers and gig workers, welcome back. And this is a summary. I'll start with Doordash first. I had one delivery for $10. Base pay was $6, customer tip $4. I had 4 delivery with Uber Eats. This order was $7.41. Customer tip $1. $9.72. Customer tip $4. $10.61. Customer tip $2.23. And last and final one, $6.92. Customer tip $1.50. So between Uber Eats and Doordash, the total was $44.66 minus $5 for gas, equal $39.66 divided by 2 hours and 15 minutes. Give you $17.62. I'll take that anytime because it was on a Wednesday and it's a slow day on Wednesday. The way my shift started, I thought it would make like $10 an hour, $12 an hour, but 17 is really good, a really great wage. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. See you in the next video.